In this episode, we will cover the tool called the gas injector test. In the Diagnostics tab, access the Injector Tests window by clicking on the Diagnostics Injector Tests tab or by using the shortcut key F4. Do you suspect a gas injector is bad? That is difficult to access, and replacing them means taking apart half the car. KME brand gas controllers possess an integrated tool to assess gas injector operation without the necessity of removing them from the car. The test allows detection of performance differences in the installed gas injectors. It calculates efficiency and percentage corrections individually for every cylinder. Pay attention to ensure the test is correct and accurate. The valve before the reducer must be functional and be located as close as possible to the reducer. Before the test, warm up the engine and make sure that the gas injectors are installed in the proper sequence. It is important that during the entire test duration, to ensure the engine load remains as consistent as possible. Fluctuating load, such as turning the steering wheel, using the hazard lights, starting or turning off the air conditioning or the high beams during testing can falsify its results or interrupt the procedure. Injector testing procedure. 0. Start the engine. 1. Check if all cylinders have been correctly mounted and that their sequence has not been confused. For this purpose, you can use the cylinder test channel located beneath the virtual driver's dashboard. 3. Leave the car idling on gas for about 5 minutes to stabilize conditions like gas and reducer temperature. Gas temperature operation. Reducer temperature. 4. Open the injector testing window. F4. Choose all cylinders, or only those you wish to test, and then press the Start button. 5. Wait for the test to finish. A progress bar is displayed while the test is running. 6. After the test is complete, the test result and corrections will be displayed. The test result provides a comparison of the efficiency of the injectors in the specific system. The test output includes the calculated efficiencies for each injector, presented as a graphical chart, and percentage corrections showing the differences in efficiency of individual cylinders. Additionally, a text notification will be shown. The possible outcomes are as follows. Gas injectors are normal, meaning the gas injectors and the intake system are operating correctly. Yeah, injectors need adjustment. Gas injectors are out of spec. However, corrections can be applied for their precise calibration. In this case, the calculated corrections should be copied by clicking Copy Corrections to the controller. Remember, wear of gas injectors will progress over time. Therefore, you should not drive extensively on them if the differences between them are large. Injectors require replacement. You need to replace the gas injectors. Pay attention. The injector testing method is not precise and is only an indicator of correct gas injector operation. If you have suspicions about the injector operation, replace them or perform measurements using an external piece of equipment. Next episode, we will explain the information found in the Workshop Diagnostics tab. If this episode was helpful to you, we invite you to subscribe and enable notifications so you receive information about the publication of the next part. Best regards from the KME Academy team.